Values, morals, and being on time.
So the program was endowed almost 20 years ago for leadership in Richmond, but not just at St. Christopher's. We do lessons on leadership, and then we do a hands-on activity so they can see what it feels like to help others.
We do a kayaking trip as a part of this leadership program because we all truly believe that there are leadership aspects that can come out as a part of outdoor adventure or outdoor activities.
Really, the first couple days, I really got an understanding of who I am as a leader. If it's athletics, you don't have to be the captain to be the leader. In the workforce, you don't have to be the boss to be a leader. I think anyone can be a leader, and I've really taken that away.
So far, it's been really interesting. We've done a lot of activities, and I hope overall just to gain a good sense of the idea of leadership and how I can apply it to my community.
So we visited Shepherd's Way on Monday just to learn more about the actual relief center that Pastor Collins started. The kids saw immediately that they were going to be hands-on when they learned that they were going to go grocery shopping and do all the cooking before we even showed up Thursday morning. One of the things that I do love is the relationships that the kids build in a very short amount of time. And so it happens pretty quickly that they come in as strangers. By the end of the program, it's like they've known each other forever.
I think the most rewarding thing for me personally in the SILPS program is seeing high school students really become passionate about some of the issues that we bring up. Hopefully when they leave this program, they take with them something that they then can do in their own community.
This program is helping me find out more about myself and just getting me out of my comfort zone and just doing things that I wouldn't regularly do, but I think that's what's making me a better leader.
We have some amazing youth right now that are ready and willing and totally capable of changing the world. And I think programs like this where we help guide them is what's going to make a big difference and send out people that are going to make the world a better place for all of us.